So we got less than 50 days to build this car and drive it cross country, and it is way, way worse than I thought. So here's the verdict. The old motor is toast. Can't use it. Window rubber, destroyed. Gotta go. Interior is disgusting and full of mold. And we found rust that we didn't know about. And we have to fix the rust before we can do anything else. So if you're new around here, I found this car in 2022. It's taken me the last 4.5 years to save up the money and gather all the parts to get it back on the road. About a week ago, I decided that I'm going to get it done in 60 days and drive it cross-country to Pebble Beach Car Week in Monterey, California. So in this episode, we're tearing the car apart, figuring out what's wrong with it, and seeing if we can even get this job done. So pulling this interior was the last thing I wanted to do. It was like pulling a loose thread on a sweater in a Bugs Bunny cartoon. You know, you take the first pull and the whole thing just dissolves into dust at your ankles. It's kind of what this feels like. The only reason I decided to do it is because the car smelled terrible. There was no amount of cleaning or chemical treatment or vinegar or ozone machine that solved the problem. It just smelled awful, and there was no way I was going to spend any prolonged amount of time in the car. I finally figured out what it was. It was this weird black, like, rubber horsehair concoction that was in between the carpet and the shell of the car. I guess it was like some sort of sound deadening or whatever, but as water leaked in through the windows over the years, it just molded and like dissolved and decomposed into this terrible funky mass, and it had to go. So luckily it all came out pretty easily, and underneath isn't too bad, but it's not great. No idea what this is. Empfängen style. Empfängen style. Oh, this must be an amplifier. So that's where we're at. Interior is out. It's on the ground. I'd like to reuse most of it, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. We've got all the glass out because all of our seals were destroyed and allowing water in. This is what it looks like. Kind of terrifying, but I think it looks a lot worse than it actually is. These cars were galvanized, so they were dipped in a corrosion-resistant chemical. And that's what the surface actually looks like under there, so it might be in better shape than I thought. But in the next episode, we got to drop the motor, and I want to get that on the stand and tear it apart so we can kind of see what happened. And then hopefully we just toss this motor in and drive off into the sunset. So thanks for following along and stay tuned for the next episode. See ya.